In previous videos, we explored the ability to run PowerShell commands on VMs that get created as session hosts when they are first built and added to a host pool. This video is going to be about running PowerShell commands on session hosts when they are scaled in. And scale in can be either a power off of a VM, or it could be removal of a VM. So let's quickly review the possible ways to run PowerShell on VMs. So the first thing we can do is go under Properties and VM Deployment on a particular host pool, and we can enable the ability to run a PowerShell command at build time for this particular VM. So as the VM is built, a particular set of PowerShell commands can run, and that VM is going to be customized for our requirements. In this video, what I'm going to show you is that you have the ability to also run a particular set of PowerShell commands when the VM is being scaled in. Now, scale in could be either stopping of a VM, removing of a VM, or both removing or stopping of a VM. Now, why is this useful? This is useful if you have certain third-party tools where the session host VM is registered, and before a VM is scaled in, you want to unregister it from those tools. Maybe there is a remote management and monitoring tool where the VM, the session host VM, has a registration. And if you just remove that VM, it will leave an orphan object, or really any other scenario where you want to notify another system that this VM is being removed. This functionality of running a PowerShell script on scale-in allows you to do that. So here you would specify and say when the VM is being either removed or stopped, run some command that's going to unregister it from that external third-party tool. You click OK. And then in the future, whenever Nerdio Manager is shutting down or removing that VM, it will be sure to execute those PowerShell commands during that process. There are a couple of variables that you can pass to the PowerShell scripts that you run through the Nerdio Manager. If you click on the little tooltip icon, it will tell you what those are. And this allows you to have the VM where the script is running be more context aware. So you can know what subscription it's running in, what resource group it's running in, what region name, and what is its VM name. So those variables can be passed to the PowerShell script that's going to be running inside of the session host VM. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.